Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to download YouTube videos. So let's get started. First, open any browser of your choice and go to youtube.com. Make sure to log into your account. If you want to download other people's videos on YouTube, the best legal way is to use YouTube Premium. This is a monthly subscription service that lets you download videos directly to your phone or tablet. Once you have Premium, find the video you want to save, tap the three dots button, then tap on Download. After that, select the quality, and the video will be saved for offline viewing. This is very helpful for watching videos when you do not have internet access, like during long trips or in places with poor connectivity, or keep in mind that YouTube's terms of service strictly prohibit downloading or reproducing content without permission. Violating these rules can lead to penalties, including losing your account. Always follow the guidelines to stay safe. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.